Hi guys, time for another unboxing, build and review of a model kit. Now, I've been going through the range of what I kind of class as click and build. I've been doing the Airfix quick builds, but tonight I've decided to do the Revell Star Wars range build and play model kit. They're a lot more simpler, I believe, than the quick builds, but it doesn't take away from what you actually get in the kit. This one here, 19 pieces to this one, whereas the quick builds can range between 29 and 39 pieces. This one does have, though, light, sound, and it's rated for the ages of 6+, but as an adult, we review these kits. Sometimes it does need an adult to put them together. This is why I review these kits, so that when you get it for Christmas for your child or for a friend who can't do it, you can do it for them. And you can also know what you get inside the box. Now, the part number for this one, or the product number, is 06775. Sorry, that's 06775. It is part of the Disney franchise, so it has been endorsed by them. On the side of the box, there's some bump there about it. Warning, not suitable for children under 36 months. So be wary of that when you buy this for a child or a friend. As I said, they kind of say 6+. I would go more around between the 10 to 13-year-old mark, really, for these. Or if you've got a friend who's into Star Wars heavily, I think they're not trekkers, are they? 35+. Okay, that's what it is. And if they can't do it, then they should just give up on life. Side of the box tells you it's 19 pieces, 209mm wide, 101mm wide, whatever that is, and just some lovely pictures. A bit of Vader there. It's moving around. See the pictures again. Then on the back, it says it's got moving parts to this. So it's got a light and it's got sound. I suppose the light is for the power at the back, the engines, and the noises. It'll probably go pew 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 pew. But I haven't built it yet, so I don't know. Scale 1 to 164, so it's going to be quite a small model. And hopefully we'll be able to get inside the box and have a look what's inside. So, opening the box again, using the craft knife, straight across, back into the blue tack for safety, or the white tack. Opens up the box, and inside the box you get another box. Oh, there's some bits there, some more bits there. So, wow. That looks like, if you open this up carefully, that looks like the sound. Was it the light? Or you pull that out. Oh, wow. Oh, it's disappeared. So that must be for the power on the back. Let's open this up. So you get, it's all click as well, so there's no gluing required, and there's no painting required either, which is all good. So there's that. So I presume that fits in there somewhere like that, I presume. Oh, it's all different noises. Some different noises. What's in here? Let's have a look. Let's get the old knife out carefully. Precision. There you go, surgical removal. Opens it up. Oh, you've got some more bits in there, which we'll keep safe. I don't want to open these yet because these are part of the kit. I assume that these are the small bits that you need. And there's the instructions. We'll put them to one side. So, oh, look at that. A load of cardboard for this. So just cut this open, and I suppose that's the main body of the kit. So it's not as more defined, I should say, that you get with the Airfix. This is more of a cut, two big pieces, and you build the rest around it. So there you go. Let's open this up. Actually, the detail looks pretty sound. Oh, there's nothing else inside the box, is there? No, that's everything. That's actually almost together. What if there's a way of just prying it apart? Yeah, oh yeah, pries apart. So, which is the top, which is the bottom? Any markings inside? There's no markings inside. I'm going to assume this is the top. 2015, if I can just read that carefully. 2015 Lucasfilm, 2015 Revell, all rights reserved, made in China. So there's the two pieces there. Let's have a quick look at the instructions. I don't think it's going to take me very long. So you've got 19 pieces there. And then you basically slot it together using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you might be best off just putting the pieces in there and working out what you need to do. Yeah. They look like the stands. Put 7 and 8 together, 7 into 8, then that goes on top. It's looking very simple. I don't think this is going to be a very long build at all. So there's, yeah, so 6, 7, 8 steps, 9 steps, 10 steps. So there's 10 steps, but there's no screwdrivers, no glue, it looks like. Just basically pop and push together. So there's the instructions. Let me just protect myself from these knives. Put them back in there. And then so, I presume, better time to build this. Before I go into the time lapse, just remember, if you want to see it slow-mo, just go to the cog in the bottom right-hand corner of your YouTube, and you'll see settings. Click on the settings there, and you'll see speed, and you can put that down to either 0.25 or 0.5, and you can watch this build slowly. So let's start. See you after the time lapse. The finished model, the Star Wars Millennium Falcon by Revell. It went together extremely well. It also looks very, very nice. I actually am impressed with the detail on it for such a well designed sort of toy, really. It went well together. There was some little bits that were a bit of an issue, but really it is quite simple. They have basically painted it for you, so there's no need for any painting whatsoever. They've got the colours right. It looks the right colour. It's a nice weight to it for a toy. Once it's all together, it feels quite solid. There's some feet there which look brilliant, and they actually just, once it's taken off, you can just push these back in to make it completely flat. This moves, so the gun turret move here, and the gun turrets move there. The radar, or the zone, whatever it's called, can move as well. And there's also the button you can press, so you could basically do this with it. Take off. That sounds very, very good. So you've got the lasers, and then so there you have it. There is the model. It was fantastic. I was really, really impressed with it. I paid £8. No, I didn't. I paid £12.95 for this from Hobbycraft, because it's on their Black Friday deal. Just pull these out. These are a bit stiff, but you can imagine it's, you know, they're solid in there. Just take a little bit of pushing, and there you go. Nice. The instructions are very clear. There is no stickers needed. Basically, it's all done for you. It's all read the instructions, read the instructions, get all the pieces out, then click it all together. Phenomenal. Really, really well built, well done. Congratulations, Revell, on that. So, as we impart on a new movie to come, I assume that these will be sold to a lot of children and fans of Star Wars over the next couple of weeks, as the last Skywalker comes out, I think it's called, to our cinema screens. So, or the Rise of the Last Star Wars. I can't remember what the film's called now.
Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker.
Something like that, anyway. But yeah, as the new Star Wars films comes out this month, hopefully that, you know, you'll see a lot more of these and there'll be a lot of kids who'll be interested. If you can do me a favour, if you like the video, please give this a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and click that bell so that you'll get notified of any new videos that I put up. But also, could you just share as well, please, either on Twitter, Facebook, social media, so that people can see the video who might be interested in this. So anyway, until the next build, I'll see you next time. Cheers.